The heart creates sounds, LAB and DUB. Let's explore what makes these sounds. The LAB sound occurs when the heart's ventricles contract and blood is pushed out into the arteries. During the DUB phase, the ventricles relax and the heart refills with blood, which creates a distinct sound. What we refer to as DHAK is a cultural interpretation. Scientifically, it's more accurate to describe it as LAB and DUB. When the LAB sound happens, blood moves from the heart to the lungs and the body, while DUB signifies filling the heart with blood again.